Enjoy electric go-kart feeling. With many driving modes in your Mini Electric, you can adjust the driving feel to your style. Mid mode is always set as default in your Mini, the perfect mix of performance and efficiency. Via the toggle switch below the central information display, 3 other driving modes are available for your electric Mini. Go green. Press the driving mode switch down until green appears in the instrument cluster. Green mode helps to maximize range by regulating acceleration and adapting climate control. You can reach your bonus range on the board computer. The Minimalism Analyzer gives you eco tips for an even further range. That's a plus. Press the Mini driving mode switch down until Green Plus is displayed. To maximize efficiency, Green Plus deactivates comfort functions like heating and climate control. Check your energy savings and your bonus range on the board computer. Nature thanks you. Maximum go-kart feeling. Press the driving mode switch up until Sport mode is activated. That's it! Your Mini now allows a more ambitious driving style through a sportier setup of the accelerator pedal, more direct steering and load changes. Check out our other how-to videos for more about your Mini.